Hi, this is a brief demo on how to use QuickBooks for your organization. I'm first going to start with purchasing some raw materials. I'll enter a bill. You're buying some raw materials. I'll enter a bill for items being bought on credit. So you're buying it from vendor ventures. You're buying items. So either items or expenses. When you click on expenses, you only see your chart of account. When you click on item, then you see items. Okay, raw materials and finished product. So in that case, you're buying packaging rolls, 10,000 kg, the packaging bags, 1,000 pieces. This plus this is this figure. They do this 1,000. So this plus this is whatever is here. We bought it on saving close. So at this point, we owe this particular organization. When I go to report and I go to my vendors and payables summary, I should see this amount for vendor ventures. When I double click on it to show up all the bills that I have not paid for. So we bought that bill on credit. Sorry, we bought those items on credit using enter bill. So enter bill. Let's say we bought another items, packaging rolls, 500 pieces, the bags, 2,000 pieces. Total of this plus this is this, saving close. So two bills from vendor ventures. When I go to report and I go to vendors and payables, vendors balance summary, I should see this as an amount we owe to vendor ventures. When I double click on it, show me the details, the first bill and the second bill, and this is the total. Now let's say we send some of the raw materials into production. We manufacture some finished goods. So to do that, I'll just go to inventory activities, broad assembly. What am I building? I'm building ice fresh sachet water. How many pieces? So I'm building 100 pieces. So there's a pop-up showing up that I don't have enough of the quantities based on the set that I've done to build 100 pieces of. So let's say I'm building, let's say 20. Same. Let me do 10. Same. Because look at, I need water, and water I have 0 quantity. So let me go and buy some water from Ghana Water Company. So enter a bill for Ghana Water Company for water. So also in liters, let's say you're buying 1,000 liters. You do 10,000 water, 10,000 liters, which is 100 cedis. Any reference may put here, saving close. So this one to be Ghana Water Company. Report, vendors and payable, vendor balance summary. You see Ghana Water Company and vendor. Okay, so total is this. I can go ahead and build. So build an assembly. So you produce ice fresh, produce 100 pieces. I go ahead and build. So automatically when I build, the quantity needed for this particular quantity will be deducted from our raw materials based on the set that I've done. So I'll just click on build. When I go to reports and I go to my inventory valuation summary, realize that there's a reduction in my raw materials, and based on this, a production of 100 bags of ice fish was made. When you double click on it to give the details why we have those figures, so you realize that you purchase 100, which is another 100. Then when you build an assembly, number 1, 6 was needed. Okay, and that's why you have this particular balance. Good. And I'm going to the sales side. It's very, very simple. Cash sale, use create sales receipt. Credit sale, create an invoice. So let's start with cash sale. Click on create sales receipt. And make a sale to a new customer called agree. Telephone number, email address, whatever. I put it yes. Click on it. What am I selling? I'm selling ice pack. Currently, we have 100 pieces there. How many pieces are you selling? Let's say you are selling 2 pieces, which is 12 cedis. I'll save and close. Remember, this is a cash sale. So the question is, where does this money go? So let's say this money is going to our cash main. Save and close. So create sales receipt is for cash sales. Okay, want to enter another cash sale? Create 2, then upway 5 pieces, making 30 cedis. It's going into our cash main. Save a new to enter. There's another person who came in to buy. $66 is going to my main cash. Save a new. The person came, it's a new person. Then I have fresh 15 pieces, which is 90 cedis. Save and close to go back to the page. Remember, all the things that I have done going into my cash on hand. So you realize that cash on hand is 192. So you realize that cash sales made so far is 192. Okay, when I go to report, I go to my sales and say I want sales by item summary. I should have total. You see quantity sold so far. I want to double click on it, give you the details. 2 pieces were sold to Mary Agre, 5 to Ben Agre, and let's make 10 pieces, and that's 32 pieces. And this is the amount that we generated so far from the 32 pieces sold. And this is the detail. And that's why our main cash tool has a balance of 192. So cash sales goes into that particular, goes to cash account. So I will do another cash sale. The cash sales to this individual. 3 pieces, which is 80, save and close. Goes into the cash and do another sale, cash sale. It's going to my cash main. Automatically it's there because I've already used it. So save and close. Now it has increased. When I go to report, my main cash has 216. When I go to report, okay, and I go to sales by customer, should give me 216. It's by customer, sales by customer. Sales by item, summary 2 should give me 216, which is also equivalent to the cash that I've done so far. Now let's move on to credit sale. Create an invoice for a customer called Peter Blue. I'm making a sale of ice fresh. Let me check the quantity left. So you have 64 left. Okay. So let's say it's buying 10 pieces, which is on credit. So you realize that on credit you are not receiving any money. So you don't have to select any account the money is going, because it's on credit sale. You are not receiving any money. So I'll go ahead and save and close. Remember, this credit sale does not affect my main cash because I've not received any cash. I'm going to do another credit sale. It's another credit sale to Stevie Mensah. Ice pack, 4 pieces, making 24. I'm going to do another credit sale to Stevie Mensah again. Ice pack, 12 pieces or 12 bags, 72. I'm going to do another one. These are all credit sales, and credit sales does not affect our cash. However, it affects our revenue. Okay, So for example, when I go to report, sales by item detail, summary, will give me my sales, both cash and on credit. If you want to know cash received from sales, then this is it. 216. So this is the cash received for the day, okay? Which is this. There's another report that can also get me the cash sale. I can just go to reports and go to my company and financial and see my profit and loss standard. So profit and loss standard, sales here for today will give me sales for the day, both credits and cash. However, as I said, when you double click on it, it will give you all the sales that was made for both cash and on credit. So you realize that all the sales receipts are all the cash sales. You see it there. Invoices are on credit, goes to account receivable. Okay. However, I can customize the report to give me only cash sales only. So I just have to click on customize report, look for filter, then look for transaction type. Then I said there's also showing only sales receipt only, which is cash sales only. Now you realize that cash sales only is 216. Now let's see. When I go to my cash, you also see 216 here as a cash sales. Reports, company and financial profit and loss will give me sales for today, which is both credit and cash. When I double click on it, to give me the details. So you see that all the sales we see here, they are all cash sales. And you see cash, main cash against it. Then invoices, which is sales on credit, also showing up here. If I want to see only cash, I just click on customize what filter, transaction type. I want to show sales receipt. When I click OK, to give me only sales receipt 216, which is equal to my cash. And when I go to the same report, customer report, filter, I look for transaction type. I say I want to see only invoices, which is for credit sale. That one is also show up here. So it's very simple. Now let me go and receive some cash from credit sale. So let's say I receive, but before that, let me just do a report on our customer balances. Report customer receivable, customer balance summary. So you realize that we have some customers owing us, Mary Agri, Peter Blue, and Steve Mason. Let's say Steve Mason is coming to pay his bill. Okay, so I just have to go to receive. From Steve Mason, he has 2 bills. Let's say he's paying the first one, so I'll just check it. Yes, so 24. If he's not paying all the 24 on this particular invoice or bill, just type 20, whatever amount that he's paying, and just go ahead and save and close. Remember, here to receiving money, you have to specify where the amount is going. So say the money is going to my main cash. Okay, save and close. So you realize when I go to report, customers and receiver, customer balance summary, and I double click on Stevie Mason, I should see that we invoice him 24, we invoice him another 72, and that's why he was owing us 96. Now he made a payment of 20, and that's why his balance is this. So this is very simple. He come back again, he makes some payment, receive. From Stevie Mason, he's paying us this balance of 2 on this particular one, 4, the balance of 4, and also this, making 76. His balance is 70, he's paying all his balance. I'll go ahead and save and close. Remember, you're receiving money. Where is the amount going? Let's say the amount is going to make cash main or cash or save and close. So you realize that cash for the day is 312. However, sales report, you can go to the sales for the day in terms of item for today is this figure. Cash is this, which include cash sales and payment from credit sales. Okay, so you can also have a report on the components of our cash report, accountant and taxes, trial balance. For today, there's a cash balance. I'll double click on it. You realize that you see all the components, the sales receipt that came up, the cash sale component, and the payment. Payment means payment from credit sales. So you realize that we received 2 payments from credit sales and the cash is, and that's why we have a cash total of this. I can customize the report to show me only transaction type, only payments, which is payment from credit sales. So I look for payments, click OK to give me payment that we receive from credit sales. I can also customize it to show me only the cash portion of the sales, so transaction type. Okay, so I want to see only sales receipt, which is cash sales. There's a cash sale component. So you have a cash sale component and payment received from credit sales, making up the cash that we have here. So this is just a brief demo. Kindly watch it. If you have further questions, kindly let me know. I'll do some video, or you can set up a live virtual meeting and we do a demo. Thank you.